Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tech Flow. Thanks for joining me. And today, guys, we're gonna be discussing the MagSafe Duo. This is Apple's brand new proprietary wireless charger. So what makes this charger a little bit important is because iPhones that came out this year, so the iPhone 12 series, have the ability to go max on Qi charging at 15 watts at maximum. And the only way to do that on an iPhone, there is no third party that Apple has allowed to take advantage of the 15 watt Qi charging. So right now, Apple's only proprietary charger is the only one you can use to get that max 15 watt Qi charging. Other than that, most of them cap out at 7.5 watts, which is a little bit disappointing. But in the future, Apple might license it out to other third-party manufacturers, as they always do. But at the current moment, this is the only one that supports it. So if you want fast wireless Qi charging, this is going to be the only charger that currently fast charges your iPhone 12 series. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. So here we have the MagSafe Duo, as mentioned in the intro. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the little pull tag Apple always includes, just to make the unboxing a little easier. Apple usually makes it, that a little bit easier right there. All right, throw that plastic out of there. And let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, and also this charger is $149, so definitely not a cheap charger, but again, it is the only way you can get that maximum 15 watt charge. And also that maximum 15 watt charging, if you actually want to reach those top speeds, you need to actually buy the power brick. So let's just put over here aside, because the only power brick that's going to get you to those are like the 27 watt or the 30 watt power brick, which is about another $50. So again, it is very expensive if you do want to reach those maximum charges. So what you get here is a Type-C to Lightning cable and some paperwork, and that's about it, nothing else. So very simple packaging, no power brick included. And again, if you want to get those maximum charging speeds, the power brick is it's about $50. You can also buy the 18 watt power brick that'll give you 11 watts, which is still faster than the standard 7.5 watts that you get with any other Qi charger when charging your iPhones. So yeah, so again, it feels really nice, feels very premium, but it feels like it's like almost like a rubber leather feeling, probably combined together. So yeah, a little bit shine there. So yeah, it does look like something that can get dirty pretty easily, but probably shouldn't if you keep it on one spot or unless you're traveling with it. Even then, it's pretty good. Definitely feels solid though, that's for sure. Definitely feels right. And as you can see, it has the MagSafe ring right over here. So if you want to charge it, this is going to be the charging port right here, which is going to be Type-C, and then it's going to be Lightning actually to connect into the charger itself. So this end goes right in, and then the Type-C port right over here goes into the power brick. Now again, if you want to reach those 15 watt charging speeds, then you're definitely gonna have to get a 27 watt power adapter. The 27 watt power adapter again goes on Apple's website for $50. If you do get like the 18 or 20 watt, then it'll maximally charge your phone only to 11 watts. Again, those 11 watts are more than what you get with standard wireless Qi charging. Like currently, I use an Anker wireless charger, and that only charges, even though it has the potential to charge other devices higher, it charges an iPhone only up to 7.5 watts because that's only what Apple allows third party to charge their phones up to. And it's not pretty uncommon in the industry. A lot of third party other OEMs and manufacturers only allow third parties to charge their devices wirelessly up to a certain extent, but their own proprietary chargers are allowed to charge those devices a lot faster. So companies like OnePlus does this, Apple does it as well. So it's not only up to Apple it's not only Apple that does that, but it's like a trend in the industry. And it magnetically clamps together. So if you can see that, like when it's laying out like that, it's pretty cool. But then when you close it up and see that little snap sound right there, it gets magnetically closer to one another. And then also for the Apple Watch, if you want to have it stand up, you just plop it open from the bottom right here, and boom, Apple Watch stands up on its own right over there. Or you can have the Apple Watch laying down, but again, since this year they released the solo loop Apple Watch band, so you can't really just like remove it. You just kind of gotta like remove it like that, and once you have it off, then you just go ahead and connect it like right there, and then that's it. So if it was plugged in right now, then it'll just start charging, and it just feels pretty sturdy. It attaches like right onto it. But again, because of the solo loop, unless you take off the loop itself, If you lay this flat down, then there's obviously no way to get it there unless you again remove the loop itself, which will kind of be annoying. You got to do it every night. So I assume most people would just probably use it like that and then have their phone charging here. And it also it's not only the phone that it charges AirPods as well, and other accessories that can go on top of it. So if you want to charge your AirPods, you can charge your AirPods on top. So I had the AirPods Pros, so I'll just if I wanted to charge them, you can charge them there as well as your phone. So it's definitely up to you and what you want to do. There you go, guys. Thanks again for hanging out with me. So there's the MagSafe. Oh, and I misspoke earlier. It's actually $129, but after tax, it's about like $140 around New York. So that varies, of course, to your state, but $129 retail. And just to reiterate a few points that I feel like are very important, if you want, again, 15-watt fast charging, you have to buy the 27-watt or 30-watt power adapter, which gives you that 15-watt that you're looking for if you want to fast charge your phone. So 15 watts, 27-watt adapter. Now, if you get the 18-watt adapter that came with like the iPhone 11, then it comes with the iPad Pros. If you get 18 or 20-watt adapter, then you're only going to get 11 watts, which again is still faster than the Qi standard 7.5 watts, which is what Apple allows. So again, in the future, Apple might license the rights to charge their devices up to 15-watt maximum in the future, and then maybe third parties might come out with some cheaper ones. But at the current time, if you want 15-watt fast wireless charging, the only way to get it is 129 MagSafe charger and then extra $50 for the 27-watt charger. All right, and that'll be it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next one. Peace out.